Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Tuesday, August 22nd, 2016. For this afternoon, the main fire potential impacts will be some gusty winds near recent lightning and fires. These gusty winds will have the greatest impact on the orange highlighted areas in the map, so southeastern Idaho, part of western Wyoming into the northeastern corner of Utah, and then just a small pocket in Nevada where we saw lightning over the past 24 to 48 hours, and we will also see some gusty winds this afternoon. We will see showers and wet thunderstorms across the southern part of the Great Basin this afternoon, but these are expected to be pretty wet showers. Over the past 24 hours, there was some pretty significant precip across the southern part of the Great Basin. You can see from this map on the left, those yellows and greens are pretty high precipitation totals. So quite a bit of rain fell with some storms down there yesterday. There's also a lot of lightning as well, as you can see from this map on the right. Fire activity across the Great Basin. Initial activity was pretty light. A couple new starts across the Great Basin yesterday. We do have some larger ongoing fires. ERCs, as you would expect, have trended downwards across the southern part of the area where it has been wetter. However, elsewhere, ERCs are really on the rise. You can see from the RAWS map on the left, quite a few points above the 97th percentile. And then if you look at the PSA map on the right, you can see that GB5 and GB2 are above the 97th percentile, with many of our PSAs above the 80th and even 90th percentile. And if we look a little more closely at that GB5, you can see we are approaching record max ERCs. And GB6 I'm also highlighting because we have a new fire there. And you can see those ERCs are on the rise. Looking at live fuel moisture, generally live fuel moistures are trending downwards across the area. You can see the top two images on the right. Live fuel moisture is well below normal. The satellite this morning shows a large low-pressure system just north of Montana and a secondary low-pressure system across northern Arizona. And that system across northern Arizona will bring those showers and thunderstorms to the southern part of the Great Basin this afternoon. For today, we are not highlighting any areas for significant fire potential. But if we look in more detail at the weather, you can see the green highlighted area on the map on the left is where those showers and thunderstorms are expected. Winds will be gusty across portions of southeastern Idaho, northern Nevada, into Utah this afternoon. As we move into Wednesday, drier air makes its way into the Great Basin, and as a result, you can see from the map on the left, not too much coverage as far as showers and thunderstorms, maybe just across central Idaho into western Wyoming with that cold front. Winds will also be much less tomorrow than what we're expecting today. As we move into Thursday, we will see moisture rebound into the southern part of the Great Basin, and as a result, those showers and thunderstorms will have greater coverage on Thursday afternoon with that increase in moisture. So looking at the 3-day precipitation accumulation, you can really see that the precipitation will focus on the southern part of the Great Basin. On Friday, some drier air will move into the western part of the Great Basin. That'll spread southward Saturday, and as we see high pressure build into the weekend, temperatures will warm. We could have some lingering showers across the area, but nothing too widespread, and that continues into Monday. Looking at the 7-day precipitation totals, really the focus will be on the southern part of the Great Basin, though there is this area in Idaho and western Wyoming that does look like it could see a fair amount of precipitation. Finally, looking at the Climate Prediction Center 8 to 14-day outlook, they are calling for below normal temperatures across the western part of the Great Basin, above normal temperatures across the southeastern part of our area, and below normal precipitation for the entire area. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.